Are you ready to dive into the profound depths of knowledge that they've hidden from you for ages? This is a video that unveils the hidden truth that they don't want you to see, a truth of such incredible power that you must watch it before it disappears from the internet. Brace yourself, because I'm about to reveal the ultimate secret of the universe, a secret that most people fear because it challenges the very core of what they've been taught. But trust me, once you grasp this truth, not only will you gain the power to manifest anything your heart desires, but you'll also experience an unprecedented level of peace, joy, and harmony that you never thought possible. This is a moment of revelation you don't want to miss. Greetings, I'm here to unveil a hidden wisdom that has been concealed from the masses for centuries. This knowledge is known as the principle of mentalism. It's a concept that, once understood, will shift the very fabric of your reality. This ancient teaching posits that the universe is, at its core, mental, and that everything that exists is a manifestation of the universal mind. In simpler terms, your thoughts possess an astonishing power to shape your reality, and by transforming your internal state, you can wield that power to influence the external world. Imagine for a moment that the world is like a giant mirror. Just as you see your reflection when you stand before a physical mirror, the universe reflects your thoughts and emotions. When you think positive thoughts, you'll notice that the world seems to respond with positive experiences, while negative thoughts attract negative outcomes. In other words, the world acts as a mirror, reflecting back to you the energy you project. This is the foundational concept of the principle of mentalism. Think of the world as a reflection of your thoughts. Just as a physical mirror reflects your image when you raise your arms, the universe reflects back what you project through your thoughts and emotions. When your thoughts are positive, the world responds with positive experiences, and conversely, negative thoughts can attract negative outcomes. But here's the intriguing part. You might be wondering why your thoughts don't instantaneously transform into reality. That's because there's a time delay between the world of thoughts and the world of things. Your thoughts, the world of ideas, are swift and immediate. However, the physical world, made up of matter, is denser and slower to change. This creates the gap between what you think and when you see it manifest. It might take weeks, months, or even years for your thoughts to materialize in the physical realm. The time delay between your thoughts and their manifestation in the physical world exists because the world of thoughts is swift and immediate, while the physical world is denser and changes more slowly. Just like there's a delay when raising your arms in front of a mirror, there's a temporal lag between your thoughts and their physical manifestation. So, how do you harness this incredible power to create your dream life? It's simpler than you might think. First, you must consistently hold a clear mental image of what you desire in your mind. Not only that, you must live as if you already possess it. Embody the emotions and actions of someone who already has what they desire. Be obsessed with it, keep it at the forefront of your thoughts, and most importantly, maintain unwavering focus on your mental image. This doesn't mean you should ignore the external world, but rather you must ignore the negativity, doubts, and fears that may surface in your mind. These are the distractions that can deter you from manifesting your desires. To harness the principle of mentalism, you need to maintain a clear mental image of your desires. This image should be so vivid that you can feel and act as if you already have what you desire. The key is to remain obsessed with your goals and maintain unwavering focus on your mental image. While doing this, it's crucial to ignore the negativity and doubts from the external world, as they can hinder the manifestation process. This profound concept is not new. It echoes the teachings of spiritual leaders throughout history. Consider the words of Jesus when he said, "If you do not abstain from the world, you cannot enter the kingdom." This kingdom is the mental realm where limitless possibilities reside. Plato's wisdom, shared 500 years before Christ, also aligns with the principle of mentalism. He stated, "The world of forms is a reflection of the world of ideas. The world of forms is the imperfect and ever-changing physical reality, while the world of ideas is the perfect and eternal mental reality." Buddha's timeless insight, "All that we are is the result of what we have thought," underscores how your thoughts shape your reality, and your reality, in turn, shapes your thoughts. Principle of mentalism aligns with the teachings of spiritual leaders. Jesus referred to a kingdom as the mental realm where possibilities are endless, while Plato discussed the distinction between the imperfect physical world, world of forms, and the perfect mental reality, world of ideas. Buddha emphasized that your thoughts shape your reality, and your reality influences your thoughts. These spiritual insights corroborate the idea that your thoughts hold immense creative power. If you're seeking empirical evidence to support this idea, consider a study by Harvard University. It revealed that people who actively practice the principle of mentalism are 50% more likely to achieve their goals compared to those who don't. What's even more fascinating is that these individuals experience heightened levels of happiness, satisfaction, and overall well-being. This is attributed to their focus on positive thoughts, their ability to disregard negative feedback from the external world, and their harmonious alignment with their inner selves. Scientific research conducted by Harvard University backs the principle of mentalism. The study showed that individuals who actively practice this principle are significantly more likely to achieve their goals. Moreover, these individuals experience greater happiness, satisfaction, and well-being. This is because they focus on positive thoughts, ignore negative external feedback, and align themselves harmoniously with their inner selves. In conclusion, the principle of mentalism isn't a fanciful myth, but a scientific fact rooted in evidence and research. It's a universal truth that transcends individual beliefs or circumstances. You possess the power to shape your reality through your thoughts. You can pave the way for happiness and success by mastering the art of maintaining a clear mental image, living as if your desires are already yours, and focusing on your inner world. But remember, you don't have to take my word for it. Put it to the test in your own life and witness the transformation. The principle of mentalism is not a mere concept. It's supported by scientific evidence and research. It is a universal truth that applies to everyone, regardless of personal beliefs or life circumstances. By understanding and applying this principle, you have the potential to shape your reality, achieve happiness and success by mastering the art of creating a clear mental image, living as though your desires are already yours, and focusing on your inner world. You can verify this truth through personal experience, and in doing so, transform your life. Now it's your turn to apply the principle of mentalism in your life. Take the first step today by holding a clear mental image of your desires, living as if they are already a reality, and dismissing the negativity from the external world. The power to create your own reality lies within your grasp. If you found this information valuable, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit from this life-changing knowledge. Your journey to becoming the master of your own destiny starts now. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. The universe is mental, and you are the creator of your own reality. Think big, think positive, and think now. Remember, the power of the universe is at your disposal. Seize it and start shaping the life you've always dreamed of. The future is in your hands, and it begins with your thoughts.